The holidays are a magical time of year to turn your home into a beautiful winter wonderland. From the glow and twinkle of the lights to the ornaments and gorgeous floral arrangements that tie it all together. My name is Carolyn. I'm a designer at Countryside Flower Shop Garden Center and Nursery in Crystal Lake. And today we're going to be making a beautiful holiday English garden, which would make a great gift or add a touch of elegance to anyone's home. First, you'll want to choose a container. This can be any size depending on your space. Next, we have to prep the container for creating your English garden to prevent water leaking. Most of the baskets here at Countryside come with a liner. This is where the real fun comes in. Here at Countryside, we have a beautiful selection of winter foliage, including 4,000 poinsettias grown right here in our greenhouses. For our English garden, we are using a red poinsettia. For the back, we're using a green Norfolk pine. We're using a lemon cypress, which has a beautiful scent to it, a small white kalanchoe, and for the front spillers, we're using English ivy. Strategically place the plants into the basket with the taller thriller plants in the back. Your medium plants are on the sides, and then your smaller spiller plants are going to come off the front. You want a really nice layered stacked look. Once the plants have been placed in the container, simply fill in all around the plants with moss. Keeping the plants in their pots gives you better control of their watering needs, and it keeps them looking fresh throughout the holidays. Your holiday English garden is complete and ready to enjoy. Countryside offers everything you need for decorating. Unique gifts and ornaments, pre-lit trees and wreaths, fresh greens and cut trees, thousands of Countryside homegrown poinsettias, and some of the most breathtaking displays to get your creative juices flowing. We hope to see you here at Countryside this holiday season, where we are making homes sparkle for the holidays. May your season be merry and bright.